our Creator and Father, from whom we came and to whom we will go. We believe in Him who given us 16 years of daring, growing, and loving. We believe in Jesus Christ, His only Son, the best friend of human, and anyone for that matter could have. He became man to serve, He suffered, He died for us. He was a man of love. He is the way, the truth, and the life. We believe in the Holy Spirit, the flame of love, the light in the dark, the strength of the weak. We believe in the greatness of our parents, they being our first inspiration. We believe because we respect and honor them as a source of love that has guided and shaped our lives. We believe in our teachers and the magnanimity of their spirit. We believe and trust them and the knowledge they have imparted to